What happens when you take mashed potatoes, spices, cheese, and beautifully toasted bread? Well, you get this famous Mumbai street food snack. This is my version of a Mumbai Street Toastie. So when someone said to me that there is a toasted sandwich in the world that exists that contains mashed potato plus cheese plus spices, I was like, yes, that is my kind of sandwich. Now, before we get to the sandwich part, let's make our green chutney. So this is a very classic Indian green chutney. You want to start off with a whole bunch of mint leaves, coriander, some garlic, chaat masala, salt, green chilies, and some lemon juice. Now pop that on your blender and then press start. And then this might happen where it doesn't actually blend. So just add 2 tablespoons of water and try again. And then you should get a really smooth, lovely puree. And that, my friends, is your green chutney. Let's get on to the spicy potato part. So first of all, I want to create a little kind of blend of spices and curry leaves and yummy things here. So I need a little bit of oil first of all. Some mustard seeds. Just heat those until you start to hear them kind of sizzle and pop. Then you can go in with some cumin seeds and some curry leaves. Now to that, I just need some turmeric and some red chili powder. Now that is such a lovely color already. And it smells so beautiful. So much more exciting than your regular grilled cheese sandwich. Okay, so now let's get the potato. And I think this is really cool because you can use like leftover mashed potato from the night before. Great way to use up leftovers. Now add in your spiced oil. A little bit of salt and pepper here. Just mix that till it's all well incorporated. Okay, now take yourself some bread, and this is like not the time for, you know, like fancy sourdough. Just want like a nice fluffy white loaf. I love the smell of fresh bread, fresh white bread, yum. Okay, I'm getting excited already. Now, butter your slices here and, you know, please go right to the edges. Good toasted sandwich is all about the details. Now, lay on that potato nice and thick. It is, after all, the star of our show here. And then a few little vegetables here because, I mean, we're going all carby and cheesy, so we may as well feel a little bit more virtuous with our ingredients. But anyway, they taste good and fresh. So tomatoes, capsicum, onion, and of course the cheese. I'm using like a Swiss cheese here, but you could go in with a cheddar or whatever you prefer. Now, my chutney, spread that out on your remaining half. This adds such a lovely pop of fresh herbs and a little bit of heat from the green chili. So nice. Sandwich that on top, and then let's get these sizzling. Cheese is starting to ooze. That tells me that we are ready to go. I'm getting very excited about this sandwich. Oh, look at that color. I mean, it's just perfection. All right, so this is looking amazing. I mean, moment of truth, here we go. Let's have a look. I mean, that is literally like the perfect cross-section of a toasted sandwich. Oh, it's oozing. It looks so delicious. Oh, yum. Okay, pop this out on a plate. You definitely want more of your green chutney that you can like dip your sandwich into. Let's go, shall we? Let's find out if I've done a good job. Oh my goodness. Literally, I mean, I just don't think, it just can't. It can't get better than that. The cheese, the potato, the spices, oh, that is just pure genius. Absolute genius. Oh, so heaven. Yum. Hey guys, if you want to know whenever I'm releasing something new and delicious, then you should hit that subscribe button and the little bell so that I can let you know every time something new is coming out. Thanks, see you!